This is G. Ramesh Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. The course name is 19 CSO 303, Web Designing, and the topic name is Introduction to XML. So XML is so we having main languages like HTML and XML. So HTML is hypertext markup language, and that is used for the client side all programming and designing a web page. And XML is similar to the HTML, but it differs in language that is it is being used for the server side language. So XML is extensible markup language. So XML is a software and hardware independent tool for storing and transporting the data. So XML, as I said before, XML stands for the extensible markup language. So which means it can be extended, or else it can be added in the future. The main program that has been used previously, in addition to it, if any additions to be added, or if new versions or new designs to be added, it is it greatly supports for that future of laterally adding the data. Next one is XML is a markup language, something like to just like HTML one. So XML is designed to store and transport data. So XML is designed to be self-descriptive, and it is a W3 recommendation. So W3C is worldwide consortium. So it is a standard. So XML is a W3 consortium recommendation. That is, it is been recommended by W3C. And next one is some of the differences between XML and HTML. So each another program, that is XML and HTML, has its own different features and has its own different goals. So firstly, XML was mainly designed to carry the data with the focus on what data is. HTML was designed to display data. So this focus on how the data looks or how the data is visible to the user. And XML tags are not predefined like HTML tags. For example, HTML we are having some predefined tags like break tag, list, and then paragraph, and many other tags for each and every respective purpose or particular uses. We use the particular tags that has been predefined in HTML, but in XML the tags are not predefined. The users or developers are free to define their own tags. For example, if students want to create a database regarding to his or her own college, so what he does is he just open a tag with college, and then he ends the tag with college. Inside that he could add his details like register number and all those stuff. So user or developer are free to add his own tag in XML. So this is an example of XML program. So we could see the tag starts with note. So this is a kind of letter that has been sent from a particular person to other person. So it is just mentioned as note. The second tag is to. So this to mentions to whom it is to be sent, and from tag defines who's writing this message, and heading, what is heading, and then body, the whatever the message that is to be sent, that has been added in the body. So as we could see, this note and from and closing the tag, from tag to note, so these are not available in HTML. So as I said previously, so XML is free. XML is allows its users or developers to create their own tags. So this is an example of it. The XML above is quite descriptive, so it has sender, information, receiver, and all those information that is setting in message of body. So other one is XML does not have predefined tags. So as we saw, it doesn't have any predefined tags as like HTML. So HTML is having the following tags like paragraph, h1 table, headers, and all those things, but XML does not have these tags. And one more difference between HTML and XML is, as we saw in the previous video, so XML namespaces So as the XML allows the users to define their own tag, in some cases there arises a big confusion or big conflict in the defining the same tag. So XML does what it does is the tag that has been given previously takes any one of that data, and the remaining data is just left alone. So what happens is, to avoid this, to mainly in case of tables, so if you are having two tables, I mean if you need to define two tables, so one with the fruits name, other with the vegetables name, so it is very difficult if all the tabs with the same name arises in a program. So in order to differentiate them, we have like adding two different prefix, one is h, another one is f. So for the first table we are giving h prefix, that is h colon table and all those information in it, and second one we are giving f, so that f colon and table and all those information to it. So this can differentiate and avoid the main conflicts or confusions between the tags in XML. Thank you.